So one day, this not so necessarily brilliant guitarist wonders what might happen if he just plugged his acoustic guitar into one of those famous Marshall stack electric guitar amplifiers. Is this okay to do? He asked himself. I wonder why nobody else really does this, he mused. His initial nervousness started to dissipate, though, as he began to daydream. Hey, maybe I'll be the inventor of some kind of new hot trend. And with curiosity getting the best of him, he threw caution to the wind and with a devious little smile, plugged in, turned the amp up to the proverbial 11, and strummed a mighty chord. Of course, this result would have been completely predictable to any experienced guitarist or knowledgeable music fan, as acoustic guitars into electric rock and roll gear are generally not a good mix, and our naive genius just learned that lesson the hard way. Now, this same predictable outcome can be applied to electric violins as well. Yes, there are such things in the world if you did not know. But the trouble with nearly all electric violins to date is that they share the same old tired pickup technology as the acoustic guitar. Now this can kind of work if you just want to sound like a louder version of a normal acoustic violin, but shouldn't the violin world have all the same awesome capabilities that the electric guitar world has to offer? Well, I'm excited to announce that a new emerging company called Outlaw Fiddle has done just that. And their patented magnetic pickup technology allows an electric violinist to plug in and go toe-to-toe with any electric guitar, use the same amp and electronic effects, and wail away. All without sounding brittle, irritating, or descending into howling, screeching feedback like our acoustic guitar friend earlier.
Oy.
This is the natural evolution of the electric violin, and it's time for violinists everywhere to catch up. Outlaw Fiddle. Play on purpose.